Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect across time and space. No matter what is going on in your world, I'm happy that you would take the time to join me and take some deep breaths. This video can serve you in some meaningful way to relax and to come back to trust in the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. Close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, noticing how you feel in this moment. New energy, and exhale, letting go. Doing good, my friend. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for your life. Letting go of fear as you breathe in trust. Holding that at the top. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing your hands and feet, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your eyes as you bring your attention inside, becoming aware of anxieties, insecurities, negativity, criticism, and simply allowing all of that to just be inside you. Not pushing anything away, but instead witnessing and welcoming it very gently, very lovingly. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing into the belly. Exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Breathing in consciousness. And exhaling with awareness. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing your jaw, letting go of tension in the face, letting go of tension in the chest, opening the heart. Feeling a warm energy coursing through the heart space, melting away anger, melting away sadness, as you feel more light and love in your heart. Breathing in love to the heart. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in and hold the breath at the top. And slowly exhale. Inhaling and exhale. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhaling, letting go of pain, letting go of disappointment, letting go of mistakes, coming back into this present moment where everything is already okay as it is. Breathing in forgiveness. Exhale, letting go of self-hatred, letting go of shame, letting go of guiltiness, letting go of being so hard on yourself. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, opening the heart, feeling your hands and feet absolutely relaxed. Taking a deep breath in and hold. Exhale. Bringing all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming your mind, your emotions, and your body as it is. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of planning, analyzing, coming back into the body, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel, aware of your awareness itself. The color for today is gold. The number is 5, and the animal is a city pigeon. They're pooping everywhere, all over the streets. Eating leftover food that it can find on the sidewalk. Thank you for joining me today, my friend. So happy happy to have you here. So thankful that you would breathe with me in this way. I hope that this video has helped you on your path, sending you encouragement. Remember to stay patient and persistent on your path and never despair of good fortune, no matter how hard life gets. There's always a blessing right around the corner. So have faith that more blessings are on the way, and be aware of the blessings that is already here. Taking one last deep breath. Hold. And exhale. I'm sending you a big hug across time and space, wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resourcefulness. Remember that to manifest more resources, to come back to the source of your love, of your awareness, of your presence. That's what I'm referring to as your source of aliveness, which can actually bring more resources. Do your best to feel your best and trust in the rest. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.